Today we are doing brownie crackles. It's so simple. Actually, you're supposed to use a fudge brownies mix, but this is all I have on hand, and I'm guessing it's not gonna make too much of a difference. Anyway, go ahead and put that in your bowl, and should have had it ready. A cup of flour, 1 egg, half a cup of water, and a 1/4 cup of canola oil. Now we're going to mix this all up until it's really well blended, and then we're going to add in some chocolate chips. So we'll be back. Now we're going to just add a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. All I have is dark chocolate, and I've had this in the fridge for a while, so it's, you know, discolored from that. Since there's just a little bit more, I'm going to add it in. And then we're going to mix this all together, and we're going to drop it by teaspoonfuls into confection. Hey, so the battery died. We're going to spoon this by teaspoonfuls into powdered sugar, also known as confectioner sugar or decorator sugar, and roll it around in there. I've preheated the oven to 350 degrees, and we can place these 2 inches apart, so it sounds like it's going to have a little bit of spread to it. It says to grease your baking sheets, but I'm going to be using my Silpat, so I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to skip that part. We're going to drop it by tablespoonfuls, into the confectioner sugar. I think I said teaspoonfuls, but it's a little sticky. And we'll go ahead and finish up the rest of this. Then they're going to cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Brownie crackles. Enjoy.